Welcome back. Now we will look at an interesting alternative to brainstorming called brainwriting. Brainstorming can be loud and quick, with talkative people often taking over. Brainwriting, on the other hand, is a quiet and thoughtful way to share ideas. It allows everyone to take part, especially those who might feel left out in group discussions. This method helps ensure that even the quietest people can share their ideas, leading to a wider range of thoughts. After this lecture, you will be able to understand what brainwriting is and how it works. Learn the steps to facilitate a brainwriting session in individual and group settings. Appreciate the unique benefits of brainwriting in fostering inclusive and innovative idea generation. What is brainwriting? Brainwriting is a structured, written alternative to brainstorming. Rather than shouting out ideas in a group setting, participants quietly write down their thoughts and pass them around, allowing others to build on them. The process is anonymous, so people can freely express their ideas without fear of judgment. Here's how a typical brainwriting session works. The preparation. The facilitator provides a clear challenge or problem to solve, just like in brainstorming. Individual idea writing. Each participant writes down their ideas. In some formats, they might write one idea and pass the paper along to the next person, who then adds to or expands upon it. This process continues for several rounds. Idea evaluation. Once all rounds are complete, the facilitator collects the ideas, and the group discusses and evaluates them. Since all ideas are written anonymously, the group can focus on the quality of the ideas, rather than who contributed them. Key advantages of brainwriting. Inclusive and equal participation. In traditional brainstorming, louder voices may dominate, leaving more introverted team members reluctant to share their thoughts. Brainwriting ensures everyone contributes equally, and no one's ideas are overshadowed. Avoids groupthink. In verbal brainstorming, participants might quickly start to agree with one another, or focus on similar ideas, creating a phenomenon known as groupthink. Brainwriting prevents this by encouraging independent thinking before ideas are shared. More reflective ideas. Since participants have time to consider their responses quietly, the ideas generated through brainwriting are often more thoughtful and innovative than those produced in the pressure cooker environment of traditional brainstorming. The silent revolution at a tech firm. Let me share a story about a tech company, InnovateX, struggling to develop new features for its flagship product. They had been running weekly brainstorming sessions, but the loudest employees dominated the conversation. The same ideas resurfaced, and the team grew frustrated with the lack of progress. One day, the project manager decided to try brainwriting. The team gathered in a room, and instead of speaking, they each quietly wrote down ideas for improving the product. Papers were passed around, and team members built on each other's ideas. The result? One of the quietest engineers, who rarely spoke during meetings, submitted a concept for a new feature that no one had considered before. The feature was later implemented and became a huge success. The moral of this story is that silent voices can hold the most groundbreaking ideas. They just need the right environment to be heard. 3. Follow-up assignment. Choose a topic relevant to your field of study or work. Conduct brainwriting sessions with peers, passing ideas and expanding upon them. Reflect on whether you notice differences in the quality and range of ideas compared to traditional brainstorming. Encourage feedback. I would love to hear from you. Do you think brainwriting suits your style better than traditional brainstorming? Would you be more comfortable sharing ideas in a quiet and structured setting? Let's discuss your experiences in the next class or the online discussion forum.